Put it in the comments now. If you're having a full English, would you go for brown sauce or ketchup? Put it in the comments, let me know, and at least afterwards I'll be able to find out what sort of fans I've got on here, what sort of followers we've got on here, and what sauce you prefer on your breakfast. I can tell you right now, it's a popper. Wheat egg, that is a duck egg. Morning everyone. So it's not a beautiful morning here in Eaglescliffe, Stockton, but it is a beautiful plated breakfast here at Station 5 Brunch and Bistro in Eaglescliffe, just near the train station, just near the Locomotion pub across the road. And I've came outside just because of the music that's inside, but inside this place has had a refurb and it is absolutely beautiful. You know, I'm definitely going to bring Rochelle in sometime for a nice meal, but I've came for the full English breakfast. And the full English here, it consists of 1 sausage, 2 bacon, black pudding, quality black pudding, a large mushroom, 2 tomatoes, a fried egg on, is that sourdough bread possibly, and homemade baked beans. So that's just not any baked beans, that's homemade baked beans. So let's not leave it too long. I'm just going to pour myself a nice cup of tea, because with any full English you must have a proper English cup of tea. First off, the bacon, which is streaky bacon, dipped into the homemade baked beans. Now, you rarely see homemade baked beans, but the last time they had them, they were absolutely perfect. Look at the steam still coming off that. Can you see it? When you've got homemade baked beans like that, you don't need ketchup on a breakfast. Usually I'm a big ketchup fan, especially with full English breakfast. I know there's a lot of you have HP brown sauce. Put it in the comments now. If you're having a full English, would you go for brown sauce or ketchup? Put it in the comments, let me know, and at least afterwards I'll be able to find out what sort of fans I've got on here, what sort of followers we've got on here, and what sauce you prefer on your breakfast. That bacon is incredible. The star of the dish of any full English is black pudding, and look at that black pudding. We've got a few beans on there, a bit of juice, but that is quality black pudding. When you've got a black pudding, obviously it's made with dried pig's blood. In the US it's actually illegal. It's illegal, but in the UK it's not. And it's the star of a full English dish. So on there, when you've got the big chunks of pork fat, the big chunks, you see them there, when they make the mix of dried pig's blood, all the herbs, spices, the chunks of pork fat is what makes a full English for me, and that is an absolute slab. So I'm going to make sure I get some pork fat dunked into the homemade beans. Look at that, you can see the tomato they've used to create the tomato sauce in the beans. You know, there's no packaged stuff here, this is quality. Oh my god. That black pudding is so subtle. The chunks of fat are incredible, just melt. Absolutely stunning. Move on to the 1 sausage. Again, I'm going to dunk into the beans. Now, when you've got a quality breakfast, some breakfasts they'll give you 2-3 sausages, but when you've got a quality sausage, 1's enough. 1 is enough when you're paying for quality. Oh my god. Meaty, full of flavour, cooked perfectly. Now, sausages are processed meat. When you get a quality one, a quality sausage, it's even less processed, so you can actually feel the meatiness in there. And that, to me, tastes like a Lincolnshire, could be a Cumberland, but the Lincolnshire and Cumberland sausages are both packed with herbs and flavour. Let's move on to a big, juicy mushroom. Again, the star of the dish is that it's the black pudding, but everything has to be dunked in them beans for me, because they are incredible. They're sweet, but they taste nothing like tin beans. If you've ever had freshly homemade baked beans, they are nothing like tin beans. They're almost like, you know, when they're cooked on a barbecue or a pan in a hob, and they get that little bit thickness, but it's kept the sweetness of the tomato, the tanginess of a tomato, and it's just overall different to tinned. God, that mushroom. It's like a mushroom off a starter. This dish so far is absolutely faultless. The mushroom explodes in your mouth, all the juices, it's tasty. And that's a sort of mushroom where you put, you know, maybe a bit of goat cheese on there and have it as a starter, maybe some garlic butter, but it's smack bang in the middle of this full English breakfast. So next up, the egg. Is it going to pop or not? Pop or not? I can tell you right now, it's a popper. Look at that. The egg, beautifully seasoned with salt and pepper. Beautifully seasoned. Let's dig in with a little bit of the bread on the side, a little bit of the toast. Dunked into the yolk. Here we go. That is a sweet egg. That is a duck egg. So let's read the menu. That breakfast is absolutely faultless. Even though I'm not a big fan of tomatoes, I will try them. The streaky bacon on the breakfast, sausage, black pudding, a field mushroom, grilled plum tomato, toasted sourdough. I thought that was sourdough. Fried duck egg. Yep, fried duck egg. Homemade baked beans. £12 for that breakfast. Now, you can go to a cafe, pick up a breakfast for £4. You can go to somewhere else, pick up a breakfast for £6, £8, £10. But in my personal opinion, is if you want the best breakfast you will have in your entire life, not just in Stockton, not just in the UK, anywhere you go for a breakfast, you will struggle to beat the quality on that plate. That is a top 5-star breakfast, and that's why I'm rating that. As Dad loves food, another food review, it's a 10 out of 10 breakfast. 10 out of 10. Bosh. Amazing. The black pudding, incredible. The sausage, meaty, packed with flavour. Homemade baked beans make the dish. A duck egg adds that extra flavour. The sourdough, different dimension to the dish. Love it. I think I've been served the wrong tomatoes all my life, because I'm now a fan of cherry tomatoes. I seem to be a fan of plum tomatoes. Yeah, I think it's the fact once they're cooked, the sweetness comes out, they're cooked right, they're seasoned right. What a breakfast. Get some more of that black pudding and the homemade baked beans. Oh, it's faultless, mate, faultless. The extra seasoning on that duck egg, incredible. What a plate of food. Full English is one of my favourite dishes, and that is the best full English I've ever had in my life. Station 5, brunch and bistro. Oh, that was good, that, you know, like seriously, top scran.
Yeah.